Hey everyone, Rick, the Static Nomadic. Day 19 here, and started out as a gorgeous morning. I got up extra early to finish uploading that video from yesterday and get it published and shared. And I've been wanting to take video of the sunrise for a long time, and I just seem to miss it. So this morning was the day I managed to get that video. So I thought it was going to be a fantastic day. Anyway, it was time for a shower. I kick on the Aqua Hot. The Aqua Hot kicks on. It runs, I don't know, 6, maybe 8 minutes, and it shuts off. And I was like, that was an awful short cycle. But I didn't think too much about it. I mean, it sounded normal. And I turned on one of the faucets and I put my hand under there, and it was lukewarm, but only for, I only had the faucet on for a second. And being that it was 53 degrees last night, I said, all right, well, the hot water is going to take a second to get up through the lines. So that was fine. I jump in the shower and kick on the hot water. And I'm waiting. Water's running. Water is precious around here as well. And, that water probably wasn't 65 degrees, so I finally just shut it off. I was like, man, it ran for, I don't know, good minute and a half, longer than it ever should have to get hot water to it. I can say that much. So, guess what? I come back out of the shower, and I'm like, okay, let's go find out what the deal is here. Alright, as you can see, I had to pull that shielding all back off there again, which is no easy task. And then I had to get to my temp switches right there and check all of those. Now this one right here had no continuity across it, so I put a 5 amp fuse on there, hit the switch, and it fired off. I kicked on all of my thermostats and all of that, and I had heat in the living room, but no heat in the bathroom and no heat in the bedroom. So this number 3 pump right here is my bedroom pump. And it sounds like it comes on. It feels like it comes on. But there's no heat getting up here. So, here's the deal here. Aqua Hot is actually in Frederick, Colorado, which is actually northern Denver. And since I happen to be going to Colorado Springs to get my exhaust manifold taken care of, you want to guess where I'm going after that is fixed? Yep, I'm headed north of Denver to Frederick. I'm going to take this over to Aqua Hot. And, yeah. This is under warranty, or should still be under warranty. And that's part of why I'm documenting all of this. You only get a 1-year warranty, and hell, it took me almost a year to rebuild the framework and get the flooring in and get this installed. So, anyway, yeah, I'm going to take it back to Aqua Hot, and I am going to pitch a fit. I mean, seriously, guys, you can't make this stuff up. I have got gremlins chasing me like... I mean, it's just absolutely unbelievable what's going on right now. I don't know, I'm trying to keep an upbeat heart on this. But man, there's only so many times you can kick a man when he's down already. Anyway, guys, I got a heck of a mess to clean up here, and I'm not even putting the shielding back on there. It's not worth doing right now. I'm just gonna pack it all up, probably stuff it in the trailer like everything else. And let them deal with it. I'm just so aggravated over this, you know, a $9,000 unit. Not to mention all the work on the framework and the floors and everything else. Yeah, this upsets me. Bad. I mean, bad. So anyway, that's probably it for the day. Peace out, people.